Hello YouTube, Chashtex back with another great video, and today's video is about how we can download and install Minecraft launcher from Microsoft Store or Microsoft Studio. So on this video we are going to see how we can freely install this application or this game. So in order to download this application, the first thing that we will do is we will go to here, the Microsoft Store. You can open or you can search it here, the Microsoft Store, by typing on the search icon Microsoft Store. So here we find the Microsoft Store. So open the Microsoft Store, and here we find a search icon on the left top corner. You can type, which is the Minecraft launcher, or you can find it even again on the gaming section. Just click gaming and you can go to the bottom and top free games. Here you find Minecraft. So select Minecraft. So it's opening based on your internet connection. It will open fastly. In my case, here we found Minecraft launcher. Now there is a version of Minecraft launcher especially for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So any Windows 10 or Windows 11 users can use this one. So select Get in order to get this Minecraft launcher. So click on the Get icon. So it starts downloading. If you want to sign in with the Microsoft account, or if you have, you can sign in, or if you don't want, you can say no thanks, and it will ask you permission and select yes. Then it will start downloading. As you can see here, start downloading. It may take some time based on the speed of your internet, so wait patiently until it will finish the download. The Minecraft launcher finished downloading, so let's select install here. So your computer will start installing the Minecraft launcher. So here it is installed and it's giving me play option, so select play. Okay, now here here it's opening. Here the Microsoft Minecraft launcher is updating and it's trying to open. Okay, after the update completed, here we find the Minecraft. So you can log in with your Microsoft login. So select Microsoft login and it will open the Xbox Live in order to show you the different versions of Minecraft launcher. So wait until it will open. Here it's logged in by my Xbox account. So if you don't have the Xbox account, it will give you an option to create the account. You find the three versions of Minecraft, which is for Windows, Dungons, and this one also the demo version. So you can install and you can play the Minecraft game on your computer. So as you can see here, it's downloading the Minecraft. So you can play the demo version or any version that you want based on the lists here will be available. So this is all about today's video, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like, and give me comments on the comment section for today. Just take out. Thank you for watching.